Hello and welcome to this quick Canva tutorial where I'm going to show you how to create a simple 3D running man effect by layering just 2 animations. It's fast, it's easy, and you can reuse this trick on tons of other graphics in Canva for that personalized statement. We will achieve these objectives by recreating the animation running along the pink road you see on your screen. First, head over to the Elements panel and type Running Man into the search bar. When the results appear, click the Graphics tab, then scroll until you find the 2 Running Man animations we'll be using. Next, add them to your page. Click the white Running Man animation first, then add the black Running Man animation so it sits on top. Now we'll create the 3D look. Resize the black Running Man so it fits neatly inside the white Running Man. Try nudging the size and position slightly. Different sizes and offsets will give you slightly different 3D styles. Once you're happy with how it looks, select both animations and group them. As soon as they're grouped, you'll see that cool 3D layered effect appear. You've just customized a Canva element that normally wouldn't be very editable and turned it into your own unique asset. And that's it, 3 simple steps to a 3D Running Man animation in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.